Okay, hello guys. Welcome back again to our video for today. This is a very simple guide on how to bind your account details on tag platform. It's very important. So if you have joined tag, you've not done this, you need to do this. And if you have downlines who are asking questions, just send them this video. They already joined you. They are not coming to join me. They are joining so that you be free from too many questions and mistake from their own end. So all you need to do here is I'm on the home page now. You click on that main page. That's the fifth button that they done there. Click on it, main page. So when you click on main page, so you're going to scroll down and see where we have look at this place. We have bank information. Just click on it. Click on bank information. Now I'm going to be showing you something. When it comes to binding your bank account, you can bind as many as. That's why most time when I see people complain on the forum, I say, what's wrong with it? Somebody say, I made mistake when I'm putting a First Bank. I could have put a Union Bank. Even if you put First Bank is wrong, put another one. So when you now want to withdraw, you choose the one you want. I'm going to show you how it was, please. Now at this point, I'm going to click on. It's already on add banking information. I'm going to choose the bank here, and I want to choose PalmPay. That's what I want to choose as a bank. So all your bank, whatever bank you're using, any form of payment system you're using in Nigeria, even the ones you don't know about, they're all here. So I'm going to look at PalmPay. I click on PalmPay. My account holder's name, I know my name that I'm using. This. Just watch what I'm going to show you. Now, as I wrote this, do you see that they squeezed up? S appeared 2 times, E appeared 2 times. It's not your maker. I didn't type that in 2 times. Please correct it. Correct it. So I'm going to put my cursor here and remove. Okay, watch. I'm going to put my cursor. I now click on that spacing. Now I correct it. Make sure you correct all this. Don't make mistake. Remember anything about money like this. Then I do the same thing here. I put my cursor. I remove one of the E. Can you see now everything is now well spaced out? And I put my phone number. I mean my account number, which usually is this. So look at it now. This, and I click on save. Make sure everything is correct. I click on save. Okay. Do you know why they say bank card number already exists? Now let me tell you why it is so. Because it is the same number I'm using for my OPay. So the system discovered that there are 2 of this already existing. So it's rejected it. But had it been there's no such thing here, it would have gone through. So I'll still put any other of my bank account. So when you see all these things, you don't get. Some people, once they see any message like this, they say, hey, tag is no longer working. Everything is processed. They don't learn. That's why I'm preparing this video. Now, I'm going to put another one, but not now. Now, let me show you because I already have 2 here. Look at, I'm going to click on this, my bank information. You see that I have 2 already here. This is my GT. This is my PalmPay. So like so many of us who are Nigerians who have 2 many bank accounts. I have a Co-Bank. I have a FCMB. I have a First Bank. I have Sterling Bank. I can bring all of them and fill up here. So that when I want to withdraw, I can use any one of them to make withdrawal. So at this point, I'm leaving it. Now, what does it mean? If I want to now withdraw, let me show you what to do. When I now want to withdraw money, I click on withdraw because I've already set up this. If I now want to withdraw money, I click on withdraw. You see my balance. I will now click inside this and choose the amount I want to withdraw. Let's assume is this. I put my security code. Add this verification code. I will now click here. Since I have 2 banks, if I have 5, make sure I click inside this. We say drop down menu. Click inside it. You see the 2 banks now. The first one is guaranteed transfer. So if I want to use OPay to receive it, I'll click this. OPay as shown here. So those who complain too much, you can feel so many account numbers there. So if you think that one of them is no longer necessary, don't stop disturbing the admins. Hey, please, can you change? You can do it yourself. That's why I always say some people will bring in people into the system. They don't even know what to do. And so their downlines will keep on complaining. They have no answer. And downline will come on the bigger forum and be saying, who is admin? How many millions of tag members will admin attend to if they don't know the simplest thing to do? That's why we prepare these videos. Please, if you are not planning, you don't know this, share this video to your members. In the group you create for them, share it to them. They should learn and settle themselves. Most of my downline, when they talk, I give them video, go and watch. So that I can't keep on answering every man's question on simplest things like this. So that's why we're preparing this video. And that is it. Share this video. Give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. Everything about tag going and online earning and all that we do here, the Chima Dedicated Video channel. And if you've not joined tag and you want to join, you have made up your mind to join. I'm not going to force you because this is all about risk and returns. Please check the description part of this video, click the link and join. And you can also see my WhatsApp number so you can contact me. I'm a good coach. I'm a really leader. That's why I prepare. I answer questions. I'm ready there for you. Don't go and join with someone. You can't even trust the person. The person are giving you a link. If you ask him a question, he can't answer you. And you're looking for who else that will answer your question. You understand? So choose your daddy, choose your mommy rightly. Choose one who can take care of you. So I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.